Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us.
We have touchdown TD. We're looking real pretty in your city. You know what I'm saying? We're probably the baddest in Palm Beach, and I ain't even lying. Am I lying? Not lying. But yes, we touched down. We headed to the hotel.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. And a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Oh, you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, I'm in a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. But said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on that.
Made it to the room. It's super cute. This is our living room. This is our kitchen. And then this is our dining area. Her, so cute. And this is my bestie, period. And look, this is the bedroom, super nice. I love how spacious it is. We got a big TV, space to put our stuff if we want. A beautiful view. And we got the 2 beds. Look at this lamp, y'all. It is gorgeous. Beautiful lamp. We can actually charge our stuff on this. Love that for us. This is the bathroom, perfect so we can do our makeup. 2 people can do their makeup in here at the same time. And then here is the double doors. This is me, her. I'm not cute yet, but just wait. And this is the actual closet. We can put luggage in here, get it tucked away. And then what is this door to? Oh, and there's another sink with another mirror. And boom, toilet. So good. We have hella towels, which is perfect. Let me get the light on. Oh, okay, perfect. Beautiful lighting and mirror situation. Beautiful shower. Nice standing shower. It's not a waterfall shower. So nice. Yes, period. And we about to turn into even better. So just wait. Just wait. Okay. Be back later.
Running in that pussy like a crash dump, right? In the over, touch your toe, shake that ass for me. Yeah, bounce that ass on the floor, bring it back up. Hit a split on the D, shot it at act. Running in that pussy like a crash dump, right? In the over, touch your toe, shake that ass for me. Yeah, bounce that ass on the floor, bring it back up. Hit a split on the D, shot it at act. Bring it back, 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 bring it back.
Okay, y'all, so I already dipped into this sauce. And I got the burger. Just got pickles, cheese, onions, and then I got fries. Best friend, you got the prime rib. Doesn't got a burger like me, but she got bacon on hers. She fucking it up. She said that shit good. Literally. And then yeah, so I'm about to tear this up. Her. It's so cute in here. Oh my bad, I did move your silverware. It's so cute in here, y'all. Like, what? Okay, so I'm about to smash. I'll check in with y'all later. Okay, so just another check-in. Just wanted to let you guys know I actually have made it to the Bright Line station, and yeah, I'm waiting on my friend to come out of the bathroom. So we're actually about to board our train. This is going to take us from West Palm Beach to Miami. I'm sorry I haven't been checking in with you guys. Just to catch you up to speed, last night we went to the Restoration Hardware rooftop restaurant. It was gorgeous. We took pictures, and then we went out on Clematis Avenue. We went to the Loft, and we just kind of walked the strip. We went to this place called Hookah Me Up, and it was a really good time. We had a lot of fun, and then we took it back into the hotel because, you know, we hopped off the flight and hopped right into the streets, okay? So then we went ahead and went back to the hotel last night, woke up this morning, ate breakfast in the hotel. It was so wonderful. They had a buffet, and they had like omelets and French toast and things that was made to order. So we had a wonderful breakfast, and now we're in the Bright Line for a reason.
Margaritas, shots.
Oh, at the bar. Oh, on the train. Girl, I had a Bloody Mary. It was so nasty.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, phony kisses, 30 degrees.
Okay, so here you see me scanning my ticket to get into the premium lounge for the Bright Line train. And this premium lounge is where we stayed until the train came to pick us up. And in the lounge, we had access to beer, wine, and other beverages. We also had access to snacks and desserts and outlets, coffee, tea, and all of those things. So this was perfect for us during our little bit of wait time, and we also had access to those things on the train as well.
I'm by the bathroom waiting on my friend to come out, but we are in the premium lounge, so we just have to go back over there. They just brought out the food, and then in the premium lounge we actually have like wine and champagne and things that we can drink while we wait on the train. And then there's also like food and liquor on the train that we can drink on the way there also. So I'll show you guys that. And like I said, we're headed to Miami, so I'll pick up and check back in with you guys. Hopefully I remember to do it in Miami. If not, I love you, and I'll see you in whatever next check-in I do.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, phony kisses, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Well, I see you at the show tonight.
Running in that pussy like a crash dump. Bend it over, touch your toe, shake that ass for me. Yeah, bounce that ass on the floor, bring it back up. Hit a split on the deep, shot it at cool.
Would you like a cool, refreshing towel?
I sure would.
Lemon flavor.
Thank you.
Bring it back, 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 bring it back. You can add, 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 you can add.
For that bitch, I'ma lay off. I get the money, no lay off. I move the crack to the mill. She give me breeze when I pay her. For that bitch, I'ma lay off. I get the money, no lay off. Yeah, I'm at a third. For that bitch, I'ma lay off. I get the money, no lay off. I move the crack to the mill. She give me breeze when I pay her. For that bitch, I'ma lay off. I get the money, no lay off. Fuck with the kids. She wanna fuck with the guys. You know I'm going to toast. I put a lean on my Sprite. She wanna fuck, I said alrighty. I'm back here, hit it all night. Fill up the rest and that pussy get
Thank you so much for watching part 1 of my birthday vlog series. I'm a little stopped up, that's why I sound like this, but I just wanted to give you a rundown. So basically we flew right into West Palm Beach Airport, went to our hotel, checked in, got some drinks for happy hour. Then we headed on over to our reservations at Restoration Hardware Rooftop Restaurant, took some cute pictures, and then we went out. Then the next day we got up and went to the Bright Line station. We missed our first train, but they make it really easy for you to, change your schedule if you miss one. So we changed it to a later train, and we still went to Miami. Really enjoyed that. We went to the Miami Design District and walked around for a little while. Went to the Versace mansion and got lunch. Then we went to our dock so that we could get on our yacht. Our yacht actually got pushed back from late afternoon to late evening, so that's why we were on the yacht at night. And the reason why I stopped filming after the yacht was because we actually missed our train going back to West Palm Beach, which was a bummer, but we had to just really run and catch the last train of the night. So that's pretty much what happened on day 1 and 2. Thanks so much for watching, and keep an eye out for part 2 coming soon. Bye.